That's my morning voice, as you can see, because I just woke up. And this cool little powder to clay mask. We're going to be reviewing this charcoal, the like dry powder to clay mask. Like you have to make it yourself. Okay, so we're going to start. We got to start with the powder that it gives you, and it comes with like the little make the box yourself. So all you do is just get the, oops, I just made a mess. Put the powder in the little box. As you can see, the powder. And then all you're going to do is just take some water. And I just put like drops of water at a time. And then like that's it. And then you take the little spoon they give you. And you just mix it in. Bit on just the spots that I need to, or I think, well, yeah. So pretty much my T-zone, like that's what kind of gets the oiliest on me, because that's what sweats. It's just like my forehead here and my nose, pretty much. So I'm just gonna pretty much put on those areas. I'm not gonna do like full face. Plus, this video will take. Best to kind of just like let the spoon fall and like brush on itself, or else, because then if you press it too hard, then you're just gonna like move the product. So kind of like pat and like let it fall. Let the rain fall down. Sorry. And a little more action. Then I'm just gonna put it on a little bit of my cheeks right here. Got a little on the back. All right, so now I'm done with that. Dyeing my hair today. I love the Garnier Nutrice dye just because the conditioner it comes with is like A1. And I haven't brushed my, I haven't brushed my hair, that's probably true too. But I probably haven't washed my hair since. It says, like, I read either or, like, to either let it be dirty or let it be clean. So I'm just gonna try dirty. So I'm going to be dyeing my hair dark intense indigo. So it's supposed to look like super dark blue. I've done it already once, and my hair actually came back and started being brown within like a month. So, but I waited like maybe 4 months before I actually dyed it. I didn't do like the 6 to 10 weeks that it tells you that you should wait, just because I don't naturally dye my hair, so I don't really want to like screw it up. So anyways, here are the directions, and there should be gloves that come inside them, with them. Come inside them. Wow. Sorry guys, I swear this is a PG-13. The gloves that I'm going to use today are inside here. So we'll open that up. And I love it because it gives you letters to let you know what it is. So it's super dummy proof. So A is the actual cream. Okay. And then I believe this is B, the color. Yeah, this is the color. So then I just squeeze this into there. I'm assuming. I think that's what I did. And then it gives you this extra like avocado extra nutrient oil, and you put it in there as well. So A, B, and C all go together. And then D is actually the conditioner that it comes with, and this is what makes like this whole dye my favorite. So I want to say my hair is like probably dark brown, so it's supposed to look pretty much black with like barely any blue. So let's see what happens. And so one thing I did the first time that wasn't really like probably the best is that I didn't do the front part of my hair first. So I feel like that's what changed to brown the fastest. So we'll see what. All right, so I put A and C into, or B and C into A, and I usually just put all the trash right in the box. And then it says to mix it. And then this is actually where you're gonna see the color, like, of your hair, like what it's gonna look like. Usually, I think it like looks blue, and I actually do it right. Caviar back when it's mixed. So first the contents were like a cream color, and now it's like kind of a grayish color in there. And I went ahead and just ran my tooth comb through my hair before I start. So now we are just gonna go ahead and go. Right. So I haven't really done this before. Like, when I did it the first time, my mom helped me and she didn't want to be on video, so I couldn't videotape it. Okay, so you just break the little tip off and let it happen. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna start with my the front of my head, just cause I feel like it's a good place to start. It didn't come with a little brush. I thought it was supposed to, but I guess since this is a full like hair dye, you just use your fingers. So, okay. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. My lord, my arms hurt. Okay. So now I'm just gonna pretty much like section off hairs with my nails and just kind of get it in there. See what happens. Right? I mean, it's black. It's not like I'm doing highlights or anything. I feel like I should just like, oops, I got it on my boob. Yeah. A wasted product. I feel like I just like put it everywhere and then I just comb it, right? Dang it, I just got some on. Okay. Right? I don't know. So I get some everywhere. Thing, get it in there. Yep. All up in it. You guys know what it's looking like, so you guys tell me. Ooh, next time I should like do a live of this instead. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a little bit more off. I am back. I almost didn't sit on my seat right now. So I am here and I am back. I did my hair. I put it in a bun. It says that we are to wait for... Shit. "25 minutes. So, in 25 minutes, we're gonna see what my hair looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and got beautiful for all y'all. I went ahead and put on a little bit of makeup so I don't look scary for you guys. So anyways, now we are just going to go ahead and dry my hair to see how well I dyed my hair. So I'm just going to part my hair in the middle for the blow drying as best as middle as I can. I think that belongs on the other side. Okay. So I can tell that it's like pretty dark now. And it does look blue when it's wet. I don't know if you guys can tell. But it looks blue to me. Let's look at it on with like my other camera and flash. Alright, so this is my hair with flash on. So I guess this is how we kind of can, if you can see the blue. So I always use a round brush when I blow dry my hair. And actually while you are putting the conditioner through your hair, I love to use the comb and like brush the conditioner through my hair in the shower. So just little tips. Okay. I have not blow dried my hair in like months. I usually just let it dry naturally, so I might look awkward when I'm gonna dry my hair right now. So I just did a super quick blow dry. Oops, I just messed up my part, whatever. So I did a super quick blow dry and I can already actually really see the difference. I can see how dark it is. I can see how like blue it is to me. I don't know if you guys can see it, but when, oh, look how pretty. It's definitely darker, and that the conditioner it comes with is just amazing and I love it. I'm gonna give it like maybe 20 minutes to just dry on its own, and I'll come back and we'll go check it out in natural light.